everything I'm going to talk about will be in the description below. You should buy a foam roller like this. If not, you can roll up 2 towels. Like this. Roll it up. Like 2 towels. Like that. Like that. Okay? You want to arch your upper back backwards and cross your fingers like that and tilt your head forward. Okay? What I'm gonna do is like that. And you wanna crack it a few times. Crack it a few times. Bit down. Up and down. So the harder cracks, you have to move up and down. Up and down a little bit. Like this. And then hold it at the spot where it's very tight for about 3 seconds and try to relax, and then you pull up on that 2 cracks. Try to relax and pull with your hands. I see a chiropractor every 2 months.